red day on a Monday, and it's supposed to be a clear skies, and it's raining right now. And I guess I'm crazy enough just to go to the Apple Store just to pick up my laptop. Got an email confirmation that it's ready for pickup today, and it's supposed to be tomorrow or March 2nd. So I came here early. I'm stoked. I'm going to go get it right now. And it's freezing cold out here, so let's go get it. Can't wait to unbox it. Guess what I have here? Picked up at the Apple Store. And I'm very excited. So this right here, the new MacBook Pro, the 15-inch, and that's what it looks like. So I'm very happy of what's inside. And here it goes. Here comes the unboxing. The Dell laptop. Here it is. In this bag, I have the new MacBook Pro. It's right here. I'm so happy. About to do the unboxing. Look how nice and shiny it is. I don't want to take it out just yet. I'm so happy. It feels heavy already. Let's get to it. Okay. Oh, it's ready. I don't want to open it. It's so nice in the wrap right now. Okay, here goes nothing. Unboxing my brand new MacBook Pro. Now the reason why I got this because I'm gonna be doing a lot of video editing, and my last laptop, basically the video card died on me, basically the GPU. And what happened was, for that particular model, it had some faulty soldering, and my video display and start making these weird patterns and scrambled images and whatnot. I want to take it out. I'm gonna take it out. Here it is. Oops. Space Gray MacBook Pro. Feels pretty heavy. They say it's about 4 pounds. And then we got a charging cable, we got manual, power brick, and nothing else. That's it. That's all the accessories in this box. No long power cord extension, so you're gonna have to buy that on your own. Kinda sucks. This is the new power brick. I'm assuming this is a 87 watts. Looks pretty big. It's gotta be 87 watts. There's no way it's like a 65 watt or whatnot. This is too big for it. And we got the USB-C, what they call it, Thunderbolt 3 lightning cable. Good long cable. Trash. We got this. power brick. Got the manuals. All the instructions. Gonna read them later on. I don't really need it because I already know what to do. Got the stickers. Who wants it? Free stickers. Gotta love the free stickers. I never use them anyways. I always kept them in the box just like that. I never use it. All my iPhones and iPad or whatnot, they're still in there, so I never used it. Here we go. Oh, this is nice. I don't like ripping plastics apart. I like to be gentle and just open it. And here we go. Nice little Apple logo. And on the side we got the Thunderbolt 3 ports, and on the right hand side the same thing with a 3.5mm headphone jack. That's basically it. That's all the ports. I'm already smearing my fingerprints on here. Did it just turn on? I didn't press the power button when it turned on. Is that gonna be like this every time I open up the lid? Each time I shut down, open it up, it's gonna turn on.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Excuse me? Yes, I do live in the United States. I don't think I live in like any other countries. It's so nice when I do my video editing. The reason why I haven't been doing my video editing because my drive needs to be plugged into a Mac and it's encrypted. So I need to plug it in to get my files back. iCal keychain. Okay. Enable Siri, yes. Touch ID. I'm setting my Touch ID. It's ready. Oh, that was fast. Apple Pay. I'm so loving this machine already. Uh-oh. And I'm all ready to go. Will you look at that? It's all set to go. Here you go, the new MacBook Pro with Touch ID. I'll put all the specs in the description and you can check it out. That's it for this video, so stay tuned for more about the MacBook. Okay, see ya.